Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Basically, today I'm going to show you how to turn your small Skittles into big Skittles. Okay, let's go. Okay, to turn your small Skittles, which are these ones, as you can see, these are your small Skittles. You can just buy them from the shop. These are not too expensive. I think one packet is like 60p, which is still expensive, but it's not that expensive. So what you want to do is open this pack. Once you open it, as you can see, you will get these small Skittles. They come in 5 colors. As you can see, these 5 colors. So you will find these 5 Skittles. So the trick to make this bigger is to close your hand. As you can see, I have closed my hand. Turn it around, and you want to pray. You want to pray that these ones turn big. Abracadabra, alakazam, whatever magic trick you have, use it. Whatever trick you want to do, try it. But you see me, I'm not a magician. I'm not Harry Potter. I cannot just make this big. It does not work like this. What you have to do is I will show you the best way how to make your Skittles turn big. What you want to do is go and buy some giant Skittles. They already sell these in the shop. See these ones? These are the mini one. This one the big one. If you buy the giant ones, then once you squeeze your finger like this, hocus pocus, alakazam, then you will get them big. Or you can just open them and take them out and they are big. So that is the best way to turn your small Skittles into big Skittles, and you can prank your friends. You go like this, show them a magic trick. You say, hocus pocus, alakazam, and then when you do this and you go, hachoo! Ooh, they have turned big. And that is a good magic trick you can try on your granny and see if she's surprised. Then give her a treat and give her a little yellow one to eat for breakfast. Okay guys, as always, that is the best way. I don't know if you were expecting me to do a crazy DIY where I melt these and turn them bigger, but I'm not Harry Potter. I cannot do magic tricks and just turn Skittles bigger. I just go to the shop and buy a big one, big packet. Okay guys, as always, if you like the video, I'm going to catch you on the next one. And as always, believe.